Oriental College of Technology, Professor Kamlesh Kumar Sahu. My topic is Introduction to the Differential Equations. Introduction to the differential equation, definition and terminology, classification, order of differential equation, solution of a ordinary differential equation, type of solutions, condition for a solutions. Definition and terminology. Definition: differential equation, an equation containing the derivative of one or more dependent variables with respect to the one or more independent variable is said to be a differential equation. Classification of a differential equation. Differential equations are classified by types, order and linearity. There are two main types of differential equation: ordinary and partially. Ordinary differential equation that involve only one independent variable are called a ordinary differential equation. For example, dy upon dx plus 5y equal to e की power x, first order and first degree ordinary differential equation. Then partially differential equation, PDE, differential equation that involve two or more independent variables are called a partially differential equation. For example, del square u upon del x square equal to del square u upon del t square minus 2 del u upon del t. U is a dependent and x and y both are independent variables. Order of differential equation. The order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative found the differential equation. D square y upon dx square plus 5 dy upon dx की whole power q minus 4y equal to e की power x. The differential equation order 2 and highest degree 1. Order of differential equation, x y dash minus y square equal to e की power x. First order function of a x y y dash equal to 0. Written in the differential form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Then second order y double dash equal to x cube. Second order function x y y dash y double dash equal to 0. Linear and non-linear differential equation. And nth order differential equation is said to be a if the function x y y dash that dash up to yn equal to 0 is the linear in the variable y dash that dash up to yn minus 1. There are no multiplication among dependent variables and their derivative. All coefficient are function of a independent variables. A nonlinear ordinary differential equation is one of that is nonlinear. Linear and nonlinear differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, y minus x dx plus 4x dy equal to 0. 4x dy upon dx plus y minus x equal to 0. Linear second order ordinary differential equation, y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to 0. Linear third order ordinary differential equation, del q y upon del x cube plus 3x dy upon dx minus 5y equal to e की power x. Linear and non-linear differential equation. Non-linear first order ordinary differential equation 1 minus y dash plus 2y equal to e की power x. Coefficient depend on y. Non-linear second order ordinary differential equation, then d square y upon dx square plus sin y equal to 0. Non-linear function of y. Non-linear fourth order ordinary differential equation, d4y upon dx4 plus y square equal to 0. Solution of a ordinary differential equation. Definition: solution of an ordinary differential equation, any function phi defined on a interval I and processing the at least nth derivative that are continuous on an interval which can substitute into an nth order ordinary differential equation reduce the equation to an identical is said to be a solution of a equation on the interval. Solution of a ordinary differential equation, namely a solution of an nth order ordinary differential equation is the function which is the possess at least nth derivative and for which for all x in I interval. Function x, phi x, phi dash x, phi n x equal to 0. B say that phi is satisfied the differential equation on an interval. Solution of a ordinary differential equation. Verification of a solution by the substitution method. Y double dash minus 2y dash plus y equal to 0, y equal to x e की power x. By product rule, differentiation product rule, first function as the differentiation of the second, second as the differentiation of the first. Then y dash equal to x e की power x plus e की power x. Y double dash equal to x e की power x plus 2 e की power x. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Type of solution. General solution. Solution obtained from integration the general equation are called general solution. The general solution of nth order ordinary differential equation contain n arbitrary constant resulting from integrating times. Particular solution are the solution obtained by the assigning a specified value to the arbitrary constant in the general solution. Singular solution that cannot be expressed by the general solution are called a singular solution. Condition for a solution. Initially condition. Constant that are specified at the initially point. Generally time point are called a initially condition. Problem that specified initial value condition are called a initially value problems. Boundary condition. Constant that are specified at the boundary point, generally specified point are called boundary condition. Problem with specified boundary condition are called the boundary value problem. Thanks.